Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has informed that the progress of the ongoing construction of the Assembly building has been affected due to the exodus of the migrant labourers aside from the monsoon. Sangma said this after conducting a surprise inspection at the construction site today. According to him, currently there are only around 60 labourers out of the total 200 workforce which was there earlier. He said that they will not be able to complete the new Assembly building as per the timeline which was given earlier.
We were supposed to have around 200 workforce there, but I could see only around 50 to 60. So I've been trying to ensure that work progress is good enough. In fact, I had also made a surprise visit yesterday, and I'm happy the progress is going okay, smoothly. But however, I think because of the recent, some of the laborers are absent. We were supposed to have around 200 workforce there, but I could see only around 50 to 60. So that is hampering the progress of the work.
The 5-day autumn session of the